Hi, today I'm going to show you what we can do with some leftovers. Some leftover bacon from this morning's breakfast, some leftover macaroni salad, and we've got some gruyere cheese, some half and half, salt and pepper, nutmeg, and 4 eggs. Right, this is so straightforward, it's crazy simple. So I've got a 13 by 9 dish, and I'm just going to butter it with some unsalted butter. You could use salted. There's quite a bit of salt in this actually, so anything to relieve that. Okay, I have to watch my salt intake. You know, us old guys. So, okay, I've got that greased up, got the corners really good. And now I need some space. But what I'm going to do is just put let me get this rearranged a bit first. So what I'm going to do is to just add our leftover macaroni salad to that. Ooh, it's cold. So I'm just going to put that in the dish. Just spread that out. And then I'm going to add our bacon, our crumbled bacon. Okay, that's in there. And just going to clean my hands. Okay, so we've got our leftover pasta and our leftover breakfast bacon, and I really need a bit more space, but I'll manage. And to our half and half, we'll now add a good pinch of salt, some cracked black pepper, and some nutmeg. Now I've got whole nutmeg. You can use already ground if you like, but there's something about fresh nutmeg that really makes a difference. So this is almost a quiche. It isn't because of the pasta. So this is something you can easily do with what you have on hand. Most people have eggs, and we're going to use 4, and I'm just going to crack those right. Oh, okay, that's 1 egg. 2, 3, 4. This is very straightforward, very simple. And I've got my immersion blender, and it goes in to the bottom. And that is it. So I've also grated some gruyere cheese, which I'm going to sprinkle into our mixture now. And then I'm going to pour over our egg and half and half. And I think I'll add the rest of this cheese. No sense on wasting it. Yeah. All of our cheese is in. Grate a bit more nutmeg on top. And this goes into a moderately hot oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius. And it's going to cook until it's bubbly and set. Okay, it's time to get our quiche-like concoction. What should we call it? Our crustless quiche. It's now time to remove our crustless quiche from the oven. Oh, the smell is just incredible. Oh, can you see it bubble? That looks beautiful. It's on top, just beautifully browned. Well, now we just need to let it cool before we can slice it. Want to make sure it's set. It's just like a quiche, no crust, and it's full of pasta. So maybe between a quiche and a frittata, but it's leftovers and it smells delicious. The quiche frittata has rested, has cooled off for about 15 minutes since it came out of the oven. It still smells beautiful. And well, I'm going to cut it, and I'm using this little, it's actually like a hamburger spatula, but it's got pretty sharp edges. So I'm going to use this to cut it. I'm going to try to cut it neatly, and then we'll give it a try. So here we go. Ooh. Pan is hot, so I can't really touch the casserole. And I think I'm going to cut this into thirds so I don't make a pig of myself. Which one should I take? The one closest. Okay, you ready? Here's the beauty shot. Oh, wow. That really looks great. So let's get it on a plate. All right. It really does smell incredible. It's still very warm. It's steaming. I'm so messy, but wow, that is delicious. The pasta is still firm. Oh, the flavors are amazing. I can't get it in my mouth. Okay, that is absolutely delicious. What a great thing to do with leftovers. Well, thank you for joining me today at Gary's Urban Larder. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel, it's free. And please ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single delicious recipe. And finally, please share this video with your friends. It helps the community to grow. And if you see a hype button, please give the channel a hype. It really does matter. I appreciate it. Until next time, bye-bye. I'm gonna finish this. Oh, this would be a great lunch or brunch.